attract the attention of passing motorists. So today we're going to be talking about milk carton kids. You guys have been begging me to do a missing series again, and I thought this was a great way to bring it back. A lot of people don't remember that when kids were missing, they weren't placed on milk cartons, and a lot of the famous stories are really sad. So that's what today's video is going to be. Christmas Eve, that's all behind me. All you have to do is be surprised with People have really scary encounters with them. There's some really freaky facts that you probably didn't know about them. People think they might actually be aliens. There's literally so much. I feel like people think that owls are either mysterious, spooky, or lovable. It's always one of those three things. There's like no in between. You either are afraid of them or you love them. I personally have always found something to be really off about them. They are literally described as the monsters of the night. Excuse me? And don't get me wrong, there's definitely something adorable about them. I mean, think about Harry Potter's owl, like gold. But there is this other side of them that is so unknown, so mysterious, almost like they know way more about the world than we do. I mean, look at their eyes. They definitely know something that we don't. So yeah, today we're going to be talking about why people find owls so scary and some really creepy encounters with them. Now, the reason why I had the idea for this video is because I recently just watched a movie called The Fourth Kind. Now, if you've ever seen this movie before, you know how absolutely terrifying it is. This movie came out in 2009, and the way it was marketed was that it was based on real events that happened. The movie is basically about people talking to a psychologist about encounters they had with aliens in the middle of the night in their bedrooms. Now, all of these patients that were talking to their psychiatrist described seeing an owl at their window before they were abducted. This white owl would show up at their window tapping on the glass trying to get into their room. You eventually find out in the movie that these owls are just aliens in disguise, and honestly, I cannot look at owls the same after watching this movie. And I mean, I can kind of believe it. If you look at owls' eyes that have the same eyes as aliens, dark and foreboding. That's a book for kids, yeah. Honestly, though, why am I the parent that would read my kid that book? Honestly, I love to buy it. So if you don't believe me yet, let's get into some very creepy owl facts. The first one that we probably all know is that owls can turn their head almost all the way around. It's definitely a myth when people can say they can turn their head all the way around. They can't. Their neck would like break. But apparently they can turn it 270 degrees, which is still so much. I mean, imagine if humans could do that. Actually, that would be so disturbing. Imagine if my head just like turned all the way around. The next thing is that owls are farsighted. They can spot prey yards and yards away. Do you understand how bomb it is? Their hearing is so superpowered that it says they can hear snow falling on the ground. Snow. What's kind of creepy is that owl flight is completely silent. So you know when you see a bird flying, you can most likely hear it. Owls are completely silent, so you don't know when they're coming. Now this one is so upsetting to me. Owls eat other owls. Did you know that? It says the great horned owl, for example, will eat the barrel owl. And the barrel owl, in turn, sometimes eats the western screech owl, and so on and so forth. They just keep eating each other. So that already shows their personality right there. I mean, they care about themselves, but... And sometimes they make a very terrifying hissing noise. If you guys have not heard this noise, oh, you're in for a treat. People say it's like something from a nightmare. I'm gonna try and play some audio for you for like 2 seconds because you have to hear this. Oh my... That was an owl hissing. It sounded like a literal snake. So yeah, don't make an owl angry. There are some places in the world that consider an owl to be a sign of death. It says from ancient times, owls have been linked with death, evil, and other superstitions. They've also been associated with witches and other so-called evil beings. And speaking of witches, there actually is a kind of witch in mythology that can turn into an owl. It's a creature called the Lechuza. I hope I'm saying that right. So Lechuza are shape-shifting witches. They look like normal women during the day, but at night they become Lechuza, which have owl-like bodies and human heads. Imagine saying that. It says if you ever hear the sound of a Lechuza, you are not only in danger of becoming their meal, which you wouldn't want, but it's often believed to be an omen that someone in your family is going to pass away. What's creepy is that Lechuza could carry a full-grown man in their arms. They are super strong and can lift you up wherever you are. They have the power to make your car battery die and literally stop you at a deserted road. And the only thing that drives them away is salt. So keep some salt on you. Now, to end off this video, I have a really creepy encounter with an owl. Not for me. This is a story that I found online. It's called The Smiling Owl. Basically, there was this woman who would see an owl outside of her bedroom window every single night. She would notice that it would start to smile at her, which would seem almost impossible because owls have beaks. They don't really have beaks. Unboxed our blog channel. Go check it out. I'll link it down below. And I'll also link all of her information down below, which everyone is so talented. Alright, so this is going to be phenomenal. The first one is about a creepy style of rainbow. This creepy rainbow is called Alexander's Dark Band. And no, it's not a music group, okay? Alexander's Dark Band is when the sky between two rainbows is noticeably darker than anywhere else. A man named Alexander of Aphrodisias first discovered this effect in 200 AD, and it's been named after him. So basically, if you see a double rainbow, we all know what double rainbows are, this very mysterious dark band is shown between these two rainbows. This happens because raindrops along lines of sight between the two bows cannot send light to your eye, and so the sky appears to be darker there. Scientist Jesse is back again. The very first painting of a dark band was in 1865 called Blind Girl by artist John Everett Milius. The concept of the painting is that the blind girl is unaware of the glory behind her. It's actually kind of sad if you really think of it. She has this beautiful rainbow happening behind her, and she can't see it. There's a myth that should never stray from the color and the light of the rainbows. If you look in between, others say that the darkness is the entrance to another dimension filled with evil creatures. Obviously, it's very far-fetched, but I think it's kind of cool that there is this really creepy myth that goes along with a rainbow. You just wouldn't expect it. Comment down below if you've ever seen Alexander's Dark Band, because I have not yet, and I really want to now. The next weird place in the world we're going to talk about is called Hidden Beach in Mexico. In the 1900s, it started off as a gaping hole in the surface of one of the islands, and over time, tides filled the hole with sand and water, creating a secluded watery Eden where people can swim to. It's completely out of sight. So this is literally a hidden beach that you have to like go through tunnels to get to. Not a lot of people know about it. I've never even heard of this before. I'm also super claustrophobic, so I don't know how I would feel being on a going there too. There was this other commercial where these Pop-Tarts were wanting to jump into a pool, and they think they're going into the pool, but they actually jump into a toaster. So she decided to tell her parents about what she had been hearing. But you know most parents, they say, it's all in your imagination. But she knew deep down that it was something way more than that. So she decided to find out for herself. That night before she went to bed, she put a box of raspberry Pop-Tarts into her closet to see if it could be like bait for the monster. If she woke up and the box was eaten, she would know there's a monster in her closet. She really wanted to prove that something was there. So she went to bed anxiously waiting for the morning. And around 2 a.m. the shuffling started. But this time she heard what sounded like plastic crinkling. Was the monster eating the Pop-Tart she put in there? The next day she opened the closet door to see an empty crumb. He is known for his crescent moon head, his sunglasses, and piano playing. He basically sings a song that was designed to appeal to baby boomers because they wanted to revive like the 1950s style of music more than it enticed them, so they got rid of it pretty quickly. And I think there was also like a lawsuit or something that happened and they couldn't continue. Next we have the Jack in the Box mascot. Now I'm from Canada, we don't have Jack in the Box, so I actually didn't know this was even a thing. I've heard of the restaurant, but I've never seen their mascot until I was doing research for this video. Now let's go back into the history because it gets